Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to draw in a picture and change the background to be green color only with two applications on your iPhone. So you just need to follow the library as well as the Instagram application to do the steps. First, you just need to make sure that you already update your iSystem into the newest one so that you can activate this feature. The next is just open your photo library and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to join right here. So here, if you already got the picture, you just need to tap into this object and hold it. Tap and hold and the glaze will be like shining in the top of this object, and go tap copy. Next, you just need to go back into your home screen. Open your Instagram application, swipe your screen into the right side so you will get the Instagram story camera. The next thing is just capturing the Instagram here. Now you already got this picture. The next, you just need to tap into this three small dots and then go click draw, and then you just need to tap into this green color, tap and hold into the screen right here. Tap and hold. And then the green color will be like filling all of the screen. The next, you just need to tap done and then tap into this alphabet, tap into the cursors, go click paste, and you already got this picture. You can resize in it, place it into the specific area you want to get, and let's join for other picture again with the same tutorial, and then place them into the specific area as well as the positions. Right after you're done, you just need to go click the three small dots again and download by saving it. You're done. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.